What are prokaryotes and eukaryotes? I recommend watching other videos on my channel before watching this one if you're hearing the word cell for the first time. You can see the link on the top right corner of your screen. Let's begin our video. Once electron microscopy became easily accessible, the internal structure of the cell was studied. That is when biologists divided cells into two types, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. The structurally simpler prokaryotic cells include bacteria, and the structurally complex eukaryotic cells include protists, fungi, plant and animal cells. What are prokaryotes? Prokaryotes are cells that do not have a well-defined nucleus or membrane-bound organelles. The genetic material inside the cell simply lies around in the cytoplasm, and this region is called the nucleoid. What are eukaryotes? Eukaryotes are cells that have membrane-bound organelles and nucleus. This is what a eukaryotic cell looks like. A well-defined nucleus that contains the genetic material and other membrane-bound organelles in the cytoplasm that perform various functions. Here are the characteristics of prokaryotes. Prokaryotic cells do not have a membrane-bound nucleus. They contain a single circular chromosome. They consist of cell walls. They do not have membrane-bound cell organelles. Here are the characteristics of eukaryotes. Eukaryotic cells contain a membrane-bound nucleus. They contain membrane-bound cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. DNA is linear. Cellulose-containing cell walls are present in plant cells, and chitin-containing cell walls are present in fungal cells. What are the differences between eukaryotes and prokaryotes? Genetic material is present in a region called nucleoid in prokaryotes, and the genetic material is present in nucleus in eukaryotes. Membrane-bound organelles are absent in prokaryotes and present in eukaryotes. The structure of cell walls are simpler in prokaryotes and are much complex in eukaryotes. The DNA is present in circular form in prokaryotes and in linear form in eukaryotes. Prokaryotes exist as unicellular and eukaryotes exist as both unicellular and multicellular. What are the similarities between prokaryotes and eukaryotes? Both have a cell membrane and cytoplasm. Both have DNA as their genetic material. Both have ribosomes which synthesizes proteins. Metabolic pathways like glycolysis and TCA occur in both cells. Conservation of ATP for energy occurs in the cell membrane of prokaryotes and in the mitochondrial membrane of eukaryotes. Both have similar photosynthetic mechanisms. Prokaryotes are simpler organisms and eukaryotes are much more complex. That's all for now. Bye.